Hmm. Hmm? What?
It is the thing that you go to if you are at all in the film industry, want to be in the film industry, love movies, want to make movies, think about making movies, think about watching movies. If you do any of those things, you're at the Phoenix Film Festival.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.